Well, it's just unfortunate that there's one position and only one man can fill that position, and it cannot be two people. Now, abantu bawu-two balwela isikhundla, and then they are forced ukuthi babribe umfundisi so that bakhona ukungena ey'nyathelweni bazoba u-junior supervisor. And now the problem is umfundisi only has one position, and ungathi umfundisi naye angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. UThemi sebamthathile nje, he's now a supervisor. Akabanyathele abantu way. On the other hand, on the more interesting things, Haibo Umahla decided ukuthi uzothatha, like she's gonna pull the ball, the horn with the bull with the horn of the bull. Uzoyibambela yona mathupha. She decided ukuthi ndiyampuza uSiza, and she did, but there was no response. uSiza is very focused, indodale focused. He needs what he needs, he wants what he wants, and that's it. Uyasho nje ukuthi ispace ukuthi ndiphuza nabafazi ayikakabi bikho, because now ndijonge memorial. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, abusheni molweni minjani, hiphukile hingongwina. So namuhla kano wahina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Umfundisi gave an ultimatum to uKayiso ukuthi lalela, it's either uzothobela umthetho wala ekhaya or you will either go wherever, because it feels like we have to free you as a bed, because whatever that we're trying to do to try and show you live ngathi nje are we interested when what you want to do is just ukuthi uzibonise ukuthi thina we are nothing to you and I'll stand. So therefore sicela usiphumele ngendlu. Then Kayiso was like, no, I'm gonna stay. So I kind of feel like the apology was for real, but the timing was wrong. Now on the other hand, uThandiswa tells Lomlisa umthumbile ukuthi amawele, they've got a spiritual something that needs to be attended to, and abadokotela besilungu, they might not see what is wrong ngabantwana. I feel like umlisa uyawela, but it's coming so slow, and the initiation date is coming. On the other hand, uThandiswa decided that she was going to take uSiza to the upper room so that they can talk. And then when she got there, every little thing that she was doing, it was all about a kiss. And I'm just sitting here and I'm like, yazin yada ya ubumba mucho ku yavumba mucho yo.